I heard you've been having trouble sleeping? Want to reduce body fat? How about strengthening your digestive system? Maybe you should try apple cider vinegar. This product has many benefits, from improving digestion to helping you sleep better. In this video, we'll talk about them. Let's start with why you should use it. Number 1. Fights bad breath. Who doesn't wake up in the morning with unpleasant breath? If it's any consolation, nobody has pleasant breath early in the morning. That's why oral hygiene is important. Not just brushing your teeth. We're talking about gargling with apple cider vinegar every morning. A bacteria is responsible for morning bad breath. Acetic acid also kills this bacteria. Just gargle with apple cider vinegar and warm water every morning. Number 2. Burns fat. Apple cider vinegar burns extra fat from your body, reducing the accumulation of body fat. It also slows the release of hunger hormones, ensuring that food is properly digested. This also means you won't be hungry for a long period, which isn't always good for you. So, avoid taking more than 2 teaspoons a day. Number 3. Antimicrobial properties. When it comes to apple cider vinegar, its antimicrobial properties must be mentioned. These properties are due to its main ingredient, acetic acid. Why is this acid useful? According to research, acetic acid has been shown to be effective against fungi and bacteria responsible for severe intestinal infections. Number 4. Controls blood pressure. High blood pressure can be dangerous, increasing the risk of stroke and cardiovascular problems. This is another issue that can be controlled with apple cider vinegar. A study conducted on hypertensive rats concluded that acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps reduce blood pressure. Number 5. Reduces blood sugar. If your sugar levels are high, this is a good remedy for you. Just take about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar twice a day. This is because apple cider vinegar slows stomach emptying and increases the body's insulin sensitivity. A study showed that people who took apple cider vinegar before bed had a 6% reduction in sugar levels. Now you have another reason to try it. When to take apple cider vinegar? The time to take apple cider vinegar depends on the reason you're taking it. To explain this, let's break it down into separate points and mention the appropriate time. Number 1. For blood pressure management. We mentioned earlier in the video that blood pressure can be controlled with the help of apple cider vinegar. That is if you consume about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar right after a meal. Don't do this on an empty stomach, as it can cause digestion problems. A pH level of 4.2 should not be taken lightly. Therefore, it would be better if you didn't consume more than 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. You will start to notice the difference within a few months. Number 2. For weight loss. As mentioned before, apple cider vinegar helps reduce weight. Now, the question is, when to consume it? Well, you're in luck because there isn't a specific time to consume apple cider vinegar. All you need to do is keep it up for 3 months. As for the quantity, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day should be enough. Just make sure you don't compromise your daily protein and nutrient intake during your weight loss journey. Number 3. For blood sugar management. Apple cider vinegar is generally recommended for patients who are insulin resistant. It's best to consume it before meals. Just make sure you don't overdo it. As mentioned before, limit yourself to 30 milliliters. Why the 30 milliliters limit? Because you don't want to risk indigestion or heartburn. Apple cider vinegar has a pH level of 4.2, which means it's on the higher end of the acidity scale. Generally, foods with higher pH levels cause indigestion and heartburn. Number 4. Bad breath. As mentioned before, apple cider vinegar kills the bacteria responsible for morning bad breath. If you're taking apple cider vinegar for this reason, try it after brushing your teeth. Add about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar with warm water and gargle every morning. Avoid overuse as it can wear down tooth enamel. Now, here are some things to think about. Stomach problems. We also talked about how it helps with weight loss. Well, in that process, it also suppresses your appetite. This could lead to a loss of appetite and cause acid reflux. This means if you overdo it, you could end up with a stomach problem. In many cases, it can cause nausea. Throat burns. Apple cider vinegar can cause serious pain in the throat area. This is because of the acid present. This means major throat burns. According to many researchers, apple cider vinegar is one of the most common causes of throat burns. In one specific case, a woman reported throat burns after consuming apple cider vinegar tablets. She also stated that she experienced pain for 6 months and had difficulty swallowing food. Damage to teeth. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can be harmful when consumed in excess. Use only what is necessary. As it can wear down your teeth, we suggest you drink using a straw. In a study, it was found that apple cider vinegar can erode about 20% of a tooth's minerals in 4 hours. So, it would be better if you rinsed your mouth properly after consuming it.